Hello and welcome to the topic which is being already continued since our previous video. Today we will try to complete that portion, page number 65. Few headings are being left out. Yeah, now it's turn to our language Hindi, हमारी मातृभाषा, our mother tongue, and that we are really proud of. We are on page number 65. We are covering today the last heading of the topic language, then we will move to the topic literature. आइए जरा हिंदी के बारे में थोड़ा और जानते हैं जीके के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, because our general knowledge is incomplete unless and until we know our own mother tongue हिंदी. हिंदी इज अ डायरेक्ट डिसेंडेंट ऑफ संस्कृत, यानी कि हिंदी जो है मूल रूप से संस्कृत से ये भाषा ली गई है, संस्कृत लैंग्वेज से. दैट्स वाई आप लोग देखते होंगे मेनी अल्फाबेट्स मेनी वर्ड्स आर प्रेटी सिमिलर टू संस्कृत लैंग्वेज. जो वोकेबलरी, जो अल्फाबेट्स हम लोग हिंदी में यूज करते हैं, द देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट, इट इज वेरी मच कॉमन टू संस्कृत लैंग्वेज. हम लोग हिंदी में एक टॉपिक स्टडी करते हैं तत्सम तद्भव, उसमें हमें पता चलता है कि किस तरह से एक वर्ड अपने फॉर्म्स को चेंज करता है, तत्सम से तद्भव में आता है, तद्भव से तत्सम में आता है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट jumping of Hindi word into Sanskrit and back to Hindi. This language was inherited from Sanskrit through Prakrit and Apra-Brahmisha. Okay. This is a widely spoken language of Northern India. Northern India के states में language बोली जाती है, like in Uttar Pradesh, our state of India, Delhi, Haryana, parts of Uttarakhand as well, and also some parts of Bihar. Okay, and in central India also, in some parts of Madhya Pradesh, Hindi is widely being spoken. If at all Hindi जहाँ पर नहीं बोली जाती, at least Hindi language is understood in major parts of India and also being easily read in by almost every literate person. इसको आसानी से समझा जा सकता है और पढ़ा जा सकता है. Most of the people knew how to read it. Okay. There are four different stages of Hindi languages. If we go deep into the literature, there are four kals, we say. These stages are called as kal. Kal means समय. और ये समय कौन कौन से हैं? Major three I have written here. That's Adi Kal. Adi Kal means the most oldest time. Bhakti Kal, in which the people used to learn a new language for doing prayers to God. ईश्वर की आराधना करने के लिए, ईश्वर की पूजा करने के लिए हिंदी लैंग्वेज को और ज्यादा प्रमोट किया गया, और ज्यादा डेवलप किया गया. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज आधुनिक काल, दैट इज प्रेजेंट डे सिनेरियो, जो आज के समय की हिंदी भाषा है. आधुनिक, आधुनिक मीन्स मॉडर्न डे. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, दैट इज लिटरेचर. Before actually starting the heading, let me tell you that why we are studying this literature separately from these languages. हमने तमिल लैंग्वेज पढ़ी, अभी स्टडी की है जीके में. इसी पेज पे 65 पे हमने हिंदी स्टडी की, हमने तेलुगु स्टडी की, हमने कन्नड़ स्टडी की, हमने पाली स्टडी की. बट वाई वी आर लर्निंग सेपरेटली बेंगोली लिटरेचर? See, dear students, Bengali language, though it is one of the top three most spoken language of India, after Hindi, it is one of the most top three spoken language in India. सबसे ज़्यादा बोले जाने वाली भाषाओं में टॉप थ्री में इसका नंबर आता है. बट apart from that Bengali literature has contributed a lot to Indian culture. Bengali literature ने हमारे इंडियन कल्चर को exemplary heights पर पहुंचाया है. It has given a golden period to our Indian culture. Okay. Rajaram Mohan Roy, he did extraordinary contribution to Bengali literature in the initial phase. He was one of the starting uh, literary legend of Bengali language. After Rajaram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, his name we study as a social worker in history. Akshay Kumar Datta, then in later phase, Sharat Chandra Chatterjee and R.C. Datta were some renowned names that those have contributed in Bengali literature. जिन्होंने Bengali literature में कुछ ऐसा लिखा that is being appreciated by entire humanity. Now comes the name of the legend for India and legend for other countries as well. Rabindranath Tagore. His name is always being spoken with full respect and prestige. He lived for 1861 till 1941. He was the person who composed the national anthem for India and Bangladesh as well. His work is also famous as रविंदो संगीत. बंगाल में या ऑल ओवर इंडिया इनके जो पोएम्स हैं, जो सॉन्ग्स हैं, वो रविंदो संगीत के नाम से जाने जाते हैं. He was the first, one of the first Nobel laureate for India. ये इंडिया से नोबेल पुरस्कार जीतने वाले पहले भारतीयों में से एक थे. He received the Nobel laureate Nobel Prize for his work Gitanjali. Okay, he received this prize for his work Gitanjali in 1931. Okay, so these were some names who contributed for the Bengali language and uh, took the Bengali literature to a height which was not so easy to achieve by other languages. In this scenario, we have one more literature to discuss. In this same video, I will quickly explain you that literature also after this particular page. So be with the video, keep watching it. Okay, now my dear students, we are on the final wind up of this page. We are on the last heading of page number 65, Indian art and culture, that is Assamese literature. Assamese literature, let's first of all explore the name of the state, Assam, what it's all about. We have learned in geography about the seven sisters, the northeastern states of India, Assam, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, okay, and Nagaland. So this Assam state is the biggest state among all those states, including Sikkim, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Arunachal Pradesh. Assam is one of the biggest state among them. So, of course, its literature, its culture, its language would be having a wide diversity. स्टेट का साइज बड़ा होने की वजह से इसकी जो लैंग्वेज है वो काफ़ी अदर स्टेट्स में भी बोली जाती है जो इसके नेबरिंग स्टेट्स हैं. और असम इज़ वेरी क्लोजली अटैच टू अदर स्मॉलर स्टेट्स ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इंडिया. So let's see about the Assamese literature, what it is all about. It was developed in Bhakti Kal. Bhakti Kal, actually, student, was a time period when people were too much devoted to God, when people were spending most of their time in praying. जब ज्यादातर लोग अपना ईश्वर को समर्पित करते थे उसकी पूजा में, आराधना में, अलग अलग तरीकों से, अलग अलग मेथड से. ओके, सो इन दैट टाइम पीरियड दिस Assamese literature developed more. uh, Shankradeva, the one of the person who cherished Vaishnavism, he wrote Assam poetry, the poetry of Assam in a different way that was very much popular in the Assamese literature, and also the Puranas, the Vedic Puranas, the Puranas of our Hindu mythological culture were also translated into Assamese language. Okay, Assamese language was so much popular कि हमारे जो पुराणास हैं, जो वेद के साथ में पुराण लिखे गए, अलग अलग जो पुराण लिखे गए, उनको भी कुछ पुराण्स को Assamese language में translate किया गया. Burangi's The Court Chronicles, it is one of the famous words of Assamese language, Court Chronicles, and basically the literature of Assamese language, the written literature of Assamese language developed more after 1827. So students, this was all to share in this literature group and the languages group, which I have already discussed in the previous video. Hope you have tried to understand this Hindi, Bengali literature and Assamese literature. We'll meet again soon with an innovative video, explore something new about India. Till then, just go through whatever I have discussed in my videos, try to understand, try to explore more new. And thank you. Stay safe at home and be healthy. Jai Hind.